Yeah, when I compiled it, right? So, it's, you see how it's 1M here where we placed Michael? For some reason, now it's just doing 3 M's for no reason.
Go to where we print out M's. Then. Right there, stuff.
Yeah, where he starts.
They don't print it. Never mind. Where do we actually print it out?
You did it. Wait, let me check. Right. We had move F, B, this, right?
Okay, well, first off, get rid of the x equals x minus 1. Yeah, and try now. Okay.
There's still an M here.
There's still one weird one down there.
If there's a weird one at the bottom, who gives a fuck? Maybe it'll go away. I think it's more important to like actually get our program to do something.
Yeah, I guess.
Or it's probably at the bottom. It's probably all the way at the bottom.
Just this.
No, keep going down.
Alright.
It's probably that printf and space character all the way at the bottom, the last line.
Here.
Yeah. I'm gonna type that out. Yeah.
Alright. Why do we even have this in the first place?
Probably make sure that that was actually labeled as M.
Alright.
I guess.
So what now?
We do. Okay, so if it's 1 and 3, it's a wall. Then we need an else for if it's not a wall, right?
Yeah.
I think if it's not an else, we just go on to the next thing, right?
Yeah.
So I think when we just scan the next,
The only
do another
thing that's going to be a problem is, so like you see where it says, like we have CWR is the first one, and then we're scanning it again to check if it's move R, and if it's not move R, then we have to do whatever function that is.
yeah.
So if we don't do whatever function that is, we're going to be skipping one. Like if that's not move R and instead it's like check left, then we're going to skip over that check left and the next time we scan.
Okay.
Hold up, let me Google something.
This project is making me so confused.
Yeah, same.
What's really annoying is like I wouldn't care that much if I didn't have 4 finals like 3 days from now, you know? Like that's what's annoying. They gave us some dumb hard final project when we still have a final and you made it due or like you showed us it 2 weeks before finals start. Like that's just kind of scum, I'm not gonna lie. But whatever.
Yeah. There's so many things to do though. Like there's so many like different ifs. So it's like if it's this. So I think if it's a 2 or a 4, if it's a 4, I think we move right. If it's a 2, I think then it just goes on.
If it's a 2 or a 4, remove, no?
No, because I think if it's a 2, that means like
it's gold.
It's
so
a gold.
We would still
so
move
like,
there and pick it up.
Definitely move. But like I think if if it's a
If it's no.
if it's a 2, then we check the other side, right? I don't know. I really don't know.
is really confusing.
Okay, make another variable at the top of main.
At the top,
Of main, yeah. And call it int check D.
int check D.
Yeah. D. It doesn't matter.
D.
Whatever.
Right.
And then set that equal to CWR. Not yet, like go down to the while. Sorry. I think.
All right.
So we say if INS equals CWR, and then do the check D equals CWR XY in the if statement, right?
All right.
No. Like you see where we do CWR XY?
Yeah.
So that's like not doing anything. Because like it's a returning value, but it's setting it equal to nothing.
Let me 1 sec. Let me just add a bracket here. All right. You're
No,
saying?
so you see where it says CWR XY?
We know, get rid of that bracket.
Yeah, you don't need that bracket. That's supposed to be in the other statement.
This one?
Yeah, get rid of that.
All right. So this if statement's in this if statement.
It's supposed
Yeah,
to.
it's supposed to be.
All right, just making sure.
Tab if you want, I guess.
It's fine.
Set check D equal to that. CWR XY. And then replace CWR with check D in the if statement.
I guess it'll be double equals.
Nah, it's not. It's single.
Not? Okay, never mind.
Just like that.
Yeah. And then fuck. Anything for something up. Okay. And then we could either use just check D or we could do check up, down, left, right, because that might be easier. But you're gonna have to say, because to do move, you're gonna have to use check D before you do move. So honestly, get rid of the if statement in the second part. I don't think we need that.
Which one? The if check
Yeah.
equals 1.
Because I think that before we do move, we're gonna have to use CWR anyways. So okay, so if they don't do CWR before move, are they still able to move or not? They are, right?
I think
Yeah,
it said check.
yeah, they are. But like,
Didn't you say something in class about check being used for jumps?
I don't know. I don't know. I want to read the instructions to the project again.
All right.
Because like if you, because fuck.
It's so much.
I'm trying to think of like the best way to do it and like how to actually do it too.
Usually when I code, I like understand the aspect of it and then just don't know how to do the coding part. But now I don't understand either.
Same.
Okay. Oh shit. Can you shut up, please? Thank you. Just give me like 2 minutes to think. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a drink of water, and then I'll think about it.
I don't know how the time, but I think it's been about 50 minutes, and we can take like a little break from recording here.
All right.
Kind of like think it through.